looking at the random function, round function, how to use the round function. So let's start and see for the round function how this round function works. So if I want to I am having this kind of numbers 2.55, 2.43, 1.98, 1.01 and all. So to round it to the one decimal, then what we have to use? We have to use the function equal to round, and just open parenthesis, then the number which we want to have and the number of digits we want to have after decimal. So if after decimal I want to have one digit, so I will just write 1 and close the bracket. So now it's rounded off to 2.6, and then just drag it down, you will get the numbers. We can actually see with this, just you will find that all the numbers are rounded to the nearest point. Here 2.43 is rounded to 2.4, 1.98 is rounded to 2, and 1.01 is rounded to 1. 10.15 is rounded to 10.2. 10.5 is rounded to 10.5. So now what about we don't want to have a decimal into the round. So we have to do round, and then select the number which we have and write number of digits 0, close. So now it is rounded to the nearest integer. Now for example 2.55 is rounded to 3, and 2.43 is rounded to 2, 1.98 is rounded to 2, 1.01 is rounded to 1. Now there is another function, round up. How to use round up? Round up function is very simple function where you can actually round up and then select the number which you want to have, number, and the number of digits you want. Right now I will require only, I will say 0 only. So it will go to the topmost part. So here it will be rounded up to the top point. Like 2.55 is also rounded to 3, 2.43 is also rounded to 3, rounded, and 1.9 is rounded to 2, 1.01 is also rounded to 2. If we want to have like for example decimals, then we can actually round up then this number, and then just add 1 here, so it will be rounded to the nearest one digit, to the top one digit. Like for example 2.55 is rounded to 2.6, 2.43 is rounded to 2.5. In a round it was only 2.4, it was rounded to 2.4. The nearest integer here, it will be rounded up to the nearest, up to the nearest integer. Now what about the round down? Round down is the same function. Again in this round down, you have to just round down function, then the same, take the number, then the number of digits you want. Right now I will take 0 only for example to show the difference. So again the same thing. So here you will find that the round down is taken to the nearest integer below the number. Like 2.55 is taken to 2, 2.43 to 2, 1.98 to 1, 1.01 to 1. Now if I take it to the one decimal, then what will it will be? Like just take the number and then one decimal, round down. So it will be rounding down to the one decimal nearest. So 2.5 is 55 is taken to 2.5, 2.4, 1.9, 1.01 is taken to 1, 10 point this. These round functions are very much useful in doing the data analysis, and to ensure that all the integer, means when we are cleaning up the data analysis, when we are doing cleaning up the data in the data analysis, that time it is very much useful, because otherwise a lot of times our analysis go wrong, our assumptions go wrong. So it's always recommended to understand very much full function of round and use it continuously in your data. See you into the next video. Thank you.